Hello guys, welcome to NB Tech channel. Today we'll talk about JUnit test case creation with Mockito framework, which already we created in a Spring Boot application. Okay, so let me show you. You can see here, right? So we have an entertainment app. This is a Spring Boot application, and let me go to my POM, right? So what are the dependencies we need to add for creating test cases in Spring Boot, right? If you see, right, we only need to add starter test dependency. This one dependency is enough. So we don't need to add any JUnit or Mockito dependencies here because this Spring Boot starter test will automatically download those dependencies for us. I can show you that how it is, because you can see if this project, right, you can see the project of Spring Boot starter test, right, it internally had these dependencies. You can see starter and boot starter boot test, and you can see ham crest and assert.j core dependencies, and you can see JUnit and Mockito dependencies. So these dependencies we need to add externally. Okay, if we add starter test, that is enough. Like Spring Boot automatically added those internal dependencies as well. So this is what we just need to add the starter test dependencies enough actually for this. Okay, let me open my REST controller. So we are creating we are using Mockito also, right? So Mockito is like a open source framework to mock the test data actually. So I'll show you like how to mock the test data and what it will it means actually. So we have created one REST controller, right? This is movie REST controller. So we have a couple of methods here, right? REST endpoints. You can see this is a post mapping, insert movie, and get mapping we have. There is one more get mapping, right? So for these controllers, how we can create a test cases, right? Controller methods. So this is a little bit different than like while we are creating test case for service. I can show you. So we'll create first, the test cases for these REST controller methods. Okay, let me go to test folder. I created one movie REST controller test. Okay, yeah, you can see here, right? So movie REST controller test is my test class name. So here I have added at the rate web MVC test annotation. So this annotation is used for Spring MVC test case creation, and so this web MVC test automatically auto configure the mock MVC annotation also. So just we are auto wearing this bean actually here. So, and apart from this, right, you can see multiple mock bin I have created. So why I have created is, if I go to my movie REST controller, right? So here you can see I'm using movie service, and even I'm using logger. So these and all we should mock in our test case. Otherwise, our test case will fail. I can show you how it will fail also. So even in movie service, right? Internally, movie service so is injecting movie repository object also, right? So we need to mock these objects in our test class. Otherwise, our test class will fail. Okay. So if I go back to movie REST controller test, so you can see, right, movie service IMPL. I'm just making mock bean. Even you can see movie repository. So these two I'm using. So that's why I'm making it as a mock bean. And logger also I'm making it as a mock. So it automatically mock these objects actually into our test class. So for example, if I am not adding this, right, I just commented mock, and even let me comment this. Okay. So you can see, right, I have created one test insert movie method. Okay. So even I have created one object mapper object also. So here I'm creating one test case for insert movie method. Okay. So you can see, right, it won't return anything. So what I'm doing internally is I'm creating one movie object here. Okay. So you can see, right, I'm creating one movie object. And so what I'm doing is Mockito when, for example, our movie IMPL service will invoke movie repository, right? So that's why we are invoking here automatically. Mockito.when movie report.save method. If whenever it is invoked, we will return this object which we created here, right? This object we will return. And you can see here one more when statement, Mockito.when movie IMPL. This is our service object, right? Insert movie. We are calling this method, and no, here we are passing argument any, but then return, it should return movie object actually. Okay, because insert movie will invoke repository method that will return movie object, right? So that's how whenever we are invoking these methods, it should return movie object. Okay, then what I am doing here is I'm using mapper object here. So this movie I'm converting it at a JSON string. Okay, that's why I'm using mapper object here. So now if you see, right, we have a mock MVC already, mock MVC object. So I'm just performing one post action here, right? Insert movie is a post action method. So that's why I'm using post here. So if it is a get, you can use get here instead of post. Okay. And the content type I'm using application JSON, and character encoding you can use it, and the content is JSON. So my movie object I just created, right? This is my request param, right? In my REST controller, whenever I'm invoking this insert movie. So I'm converting that into a JSON object. That JSON I'm passing here, and it will accept application JSON and it will return. Once it is invoked this API, then it will return movie object only, but it's in a MVC results it will return. So what we need by using this MVC result object, so I'm taking the response as a string. Okay, I'm getting it in a string. Then I'm using object mapper, right? Again I'm converting this the result as a movie. So now what I'm doing is assert equal, what it will do. I just added expecting value is one. The movie dot get ID also should be one. Then this test case will execute properly because my ID is one, right? Here you can see. So now let me save this. Let me execute. Yeah, let me go to JUnit console. Okay, our test got executed successfully. Okay, because let me check. Okay, if we are not even using this, not a problem. Fine. So even we have logger, right? That's why we can use logger also, but it's not impacting because I already invoked this, so no issues. So so now it automatically executed successfully, right? Because I tested my insert movie method by using sample values here. So this is how we can create test cases for any REST controller methods actually. So this is one test case, right? Then we have movie service IMPL class. So in movie service IMPL class, we have some methods, right? So get movies and get movies by ID and insert movies, right? So again here we are using the movie repository here, right? So while we are creating this test class, I can go and show you this test class, movies service IMPL test class here. So here I'm not using web MVC test because we are not going to invoke any REST API, right? We are just here, it is a method only. In movie service IMPL, just a methods, right? So we no need to create web MVC test. It's a Spring Boot test only. And I'm just mocking the movie repository because in my service IMPL, I'm using this movie repository object, right? That's why I'm just mocking that. And movie service IMPL, I'm just injecting this mock. So it automatically injects actually this mock objects and all. Okay. And I commented here as well logger, but we'll see this logger what will happen. Okay. So what I did, I created one test method for insert movie test. And again here you can see that I created one movie object. And when movie repository called save object, then it should return movie. What I'm assert actual I'm doing, this movie is I'm expecting this movie from after inserting also. I'm just validating this. Okay. If the object is saved or not, the same object is coming or not. So this is one thing. And if you see get movies test, right? So what I did, I have created two movie objects here. I just inserted into a list these movie objects into a list. So when find all I'm invoking it, then I should return this list. This I'm mocking, right? This will return. So what will happen in assert equals? I'm just giving expected no list of values should be one, but this movie IMPL get movies dot size I am using, right? So it may return two because we have inserted two characters. So the test case will fail actually, but this will execute successfully. Okay, let me run this. successfully executed. Insert movie test is executed, right? But the other method, why it's not executed? Let me check. It's shut down. Okay. Let me enable this. Okay. Enable this. Okay. Get movies test is failed. Get movies test. So insert movie test is executed successfully. Why this test case is failed? We can see the message. So here you can see, right? The expected is one, but we got two. So because we inserted two records here. So if I make it this as a two, then both the test case will execute successfully. I'm just rerunning the test case again. Yeah, so our test class got successfully executed. There is no errors, failures. Result, both the test case got executed successfully, right? And even our movie rest control also executed successfully, right? And for example, you wanted to create one more, test method, right? Let me show you this. So I created one test method here, get movies by ID test, because in our service IMPL, we have get movie by ID, right? For this method, if you wanted to create a test class, right, how we can create, let me show you here. So I don't need anything here because it don't need anything. So it won't return any value also. Okay. So what I need here is, so when, let me copy these two things, statements. So logger is fine. When, what I need is find by ID. So my repository, what is that? Find by ID I should use. Find by ID. Okay. Here, find by ID need to give one. Then return. What I can do, I can create a one movie object also here. Okay. So this is the movie. Then return my movie object. Correct? Okay. Wrap with the null option. Okay. 1 second. Let me check. Okay. We'll do one thing. Wait. Okay. So we created movie object. When we call this, it should return movie. So they want movie as optional object. Otherwise, we won't get here. Okay, let me do this. Okay, 1 second. Let me do this. Okay, now I think it will resolve the issue. So now what I need to do is I need to do one assert actual, right? Assert equals. So what I want is one. So movie MPL, right? Get movie by ID. So I'm passing one. Okay. Okay. So it will return entire movie. But what we can do, get ID, right? So let me run this. So no errors, no failures. So you can see, right? Get movie test is successfully executed. Get movie by ID test also executed successfully because it is returning one. So this is how we can create, test cases for in our service, classes and REST controllers. So today we just covered, how to create JN test case with Mockito in Spring Boot. So in my upcoming videos, we can see about how to add the security. I mean Spring security and all. We can see. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you very much.